Welcome to Mr. Easy English. Let's start learning now.
Mr. Easy, I have a big problem. When someone speaks to me in English, I understand. But when I try to answer, my brain freezes. Why does this happen?
Alex, today I'm going to fix that problem forever. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. Easy English, where speaking English becomes natural, easy, and fun. I'm Mr. Easy. And I'm Alex, and I am very excited for today's topic. Alex, tell everyone what your problem is. Okay, so when someone speaks English to me, I understand maybe 80%. Good, right? That's great, actually. Don't be embarrassed. Almost every English learner does exactly this. It is completely normal. Really? Even good speakers? Yes, but today we are going to fix it. I'm going to teach you how to think directly in English. No more translating, no more freezing. I am ready. Let's go.
First, Alex, let me ask you something. When did you start learning English?
Maybe when I was 12 years old.
And how did your teacher teach you?
She wrote a word in English, then wrote the meaning in our language, then we memorized it.
Exactly. So from day one, your brain learned English word equals my language word.
Yes, that's exactly what happened.
The bridge is the problem. To think in English, you need to remove the bridge.
Remove the bridge? How?
I'll show you, but first, a question for you, Alex. What is a dog?
A dog is... Okay, I thought of the word in my language first.
I know. Now close your eyes. Think of a dog. What do you see?
I see a big brown dog, running, happy.
Did you need your language for that?
Oh, I just saw the dog.
That is thinking in English. You connect the word directly to the image, not to a translation.
Oh my, that is completely different.
This is the secret. Words are not translations. Words are pictures, feelings, memories.
So instead of English, my language, meaning, it should be English, picture, meaning?
Perfectly said, Alex. You understood it faster than I expected.
I'm learning from the best.
Okay, now let me give you 4 practical ways to train your brain. 4 ways. I'm listening. Don't try to think in full sentences yet. Start with single words. Single words? Yes, you wake up in the morning, what do you see? Don't say, the sun is shining and the birds are singing. Just say, sun, birds, coffee, bed. Oh, that's easy. Sun, window, pillow, alarm clock. No, I hate alarm clocks.
Perfect. Your brain is already labeling the world in English. That's the first step.
I can do that all day.
Good. Do it all day.
Talk to myself? Like, out loud?
Yes, or in your head. When you are making breakfast, say, I am making eggs. I am a little bit hungry. This smells good.
That sounds a little crazy.
All great English speakers are a little crazy. Alex, the more you talk to yourself, the more natural English becomes.
Okay, I will talk to myself. My family will think I am strange. Tell them you are practicing. They will be impressed. Or they will be worried.
This one is very important. When you don't know a word, what do?
I search it in the dictionary. It shows the word in my language.
Stop that.
Stop using the dictionary?
Use an English dictionary, one that explains the word in English.
Oh, like hungry means the feeling when you need to eat.
Exactly. Your brain stays in English the whole time. No bridge.
That's a small change, but I think it makes a big difference.
Huge difference. Try it for 1 week. You'll feel it immediately. Alex, when you hear the word cozy, what do you feel?
I feel warm, safe, like a blanket and hot tea on a cold night.
Did you translate that?
No, I just felt it.
That is your goal with every word. Don't ask, what does this word mean in my language? Ask, what does this word make me feel?
Feeling the word, not translating the word.
You are very good today, Alex.
I am feeling very cozy right now.
Mr. Easy, I think a lot of our listeners are feeling the same problem.
I think so too. And if you are still watching right now, first of all, well done. You have great self-control.
We did a whole episode about self-control.
We did! Now, if this episode is helping you, please do one thing. Hit the like button and subscribe to Mr. Easy English. It helps us reach more learners just like you.
And comment picture below if you tried the word to image trick.
We want to know it's working for you.
Mr. Easy, what if I try to think in English but my brain still goes back to my language?
That will happen, especially at the beginning.
So what do I do?
Don't fight it. Just notice it. Say to yourself, oh, I translated again. Then try once more in English.
So I don't get angry at myself.
Never. Getting angry at yourself only makes your brain freeze more.
That makes sense. Fear makes you freeze.
Exactly. And comfort makes you flow.
Comfort makes you flow.
I like that. Write it down.
Writing it now. What about when I'm nervous? Like in a real conversation with a native speaker.
The panic moment.
Yes. My mind goes completely blank.
Here's what you do. Slow down. Take one breath. Say one simple word. Anything. Even if it's not perfect. Especially if it's not perfect. The first word is the hardest. After that, the words start to come. So I just need to start. Even badly. A bad start is 1,000 times better than silence.
Wow. That is going on my wall.
Good.
Okay, let me try to remember everything.
Go ahead.
First, the problem is the bridge. We were taught to connect English to our language. We need to connect English to images and feelings instead.
Perfect.
Second, think in single words first. Don't try full sentences right away.
Good.
Third, talk to yourself in English, even if it's strange.
Especially if it's strange.
Fourth, use an English-only dictionary. Stay inside the language.
Excellent.
And fifth, feel the words. Don't analyze them.
Alex, you just taught the lesson better than me.
Should I be the teacher now?
Not yet. Keep practicing.
Mr. Easy, I have one last question.
Of course.
How long does it take to really think in English naturally?
Honestly, it depends. For some people, a few weeks. For others, a few months.
That sounds like a long time.
It sounds long, but think about this. You are already doing it.
What? Me? Right now?
Right now. This whole conversation. You understood it. You felt it. You didn't translate every sentence.
You're right. I didn't even notice.
That is what progress looks like. You don't always feel it happening, but it is happening.
Wow.
Keep going, Alex. And to everyone listening, keep going. Every day you practice, the bridge gets smaller. And one day, you will wake up and the bridge will be gone.
And you will just
think. And you will just think. In English.
Thank you, everyone, for spending this time with us today.
It means so much to us.
If this episode helped you, please subscribe to Mr. Easy English and share it with one friend who is learning English. One share can change someone's journey.
And our question for today, comment picture below if you will try the word to image method. We want to read every single comment.
We really do. See you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone. Keep practicing. You're closer than you think.
Goodbye.